How to create Google account on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, launch your Gmail app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then at the bottom there, you are going to see add another account. Tap on it. Then under setup, you are going to select the first option, Google. Then you need to enter your phone password or your fingerprint. Then here you are going to tap on create account. Then for my personal use. Then enter your first name and your last name. So I'm going to do that. Then tap on next. Then enter your birthday and your gender. Then tap on next. So you can choose your Gmail address or you can create your own. So for this video, I'm going to create my own Gmail address. So I'll select the third option. Then I'm going to enter now my Gmail address. So as you can see, it has been accepted. So you are going to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'm going to do that. Then once you've done that, you are just going to click on next. Then review your account info. So this is how your account is going to appear. You can use this email address to sign in later. So this is how your account is going to appear. So just tap on next. Then scroll down. Then tap on I agree. So once you've done that, you are now going to close this one. Then you'll go back to the Gmail app. Then you are going to tap on your profile icon again. Then you will be able to see the newly created Google account here on this list. So if you scroll down, you are going to see the Google account is here. Let me tap on it. So this is the newly created Google account. So that's really it, guys. That's how to create Google account on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.